This is the Itel AirPods Pro. I want to connect it to my phone. But when I try to connect it to my phone, the earbuds device is not visible on my phone. If the earbuds are not visible on my phone, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure that the earbuds have enough charge. If the earbuds do not have enough charge, charge them for 20 minutes. After charging the earbuds, try connecting them to your phone. If the earbuds still do not appear on your phone, reset the earbuds. Put both the earbuds inside the charging case. This is the reset button on the earbuds. Hold down the reset button for 5 seconds and the earbuds will reset. After resetting the earbuds, take the earbuds out of the charging case. Now try connecting it to your phone. The Itel AirPods Pro will be visible on the phone. Now connect it. The Itel AirPods Pro is now connected to the phone.